Hello everyone and welcome to another math video. Today we're going to be looking at how to substitute values in for variables and then to use order of operations to solve the problems. Just a reminder that this is the short version of the lesson, so we're just going to sort of go through it pretty quickly. If you find that it's too fast or you want a little bit more explanation, then I will link the full lesson version in the description below. Before attempting this lesson, you should already know about order of operations, so PEMDAS, GEMDAS, something along those lines. All right, let's take a look at this. When I say the word substitute, what comes into your head, or where have you heard that word before? Maybe you think of, a substitute teacher or a substitute in sports, or maybe when it comes to cooking, right? You can substitute ingredients or something. In all of these, right, all of these examples, the idea is that substitute means to replace. Substitute just means to replace. So we're going to use that here. So they give us this problem, 15 minus b minus c divided by 2 minus 3. And they tell you that b is 7 and c is 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace. We're going to substitute. Instead of writing b, I'm going to put in 7 because they told me that b is 7. b equals 7, right? So I can just replace those. And the same thing for the letter c. Instead of writing the letter c, I'm going to write the letter 10. Okay, so in this lesson, anytime you see a letter, you're going to be replacing it with a number. And now you follow order of operations, right? So you should say, okay, I divide first. This is 5. Then you should do subtraction from left to right. And your final answer for this problem is 0. Okay, so the only new thing here, if you've already studied order of operations, then the only new step here is just substituting values. Okay, this is about the most complicated they will look in this lesson. So if you can do this problem, you should be well on your way. All right, so t is 3, replace the t. R is 4, and then n to the n power would be to the third power, divided by s is 2. Okay, so all I did was replace. And now PEMDAS, GEMDAS, order of operations. 4 to the third power, that would be 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. Plus, okay, I'm going to run out of room here. Multiply. And then add from left to right. I'm just going to add all of these at the same time since they're all addition. 38 plus 64. Without using a calculator here, let's see if I can do this. 9, 10, 102. Double check myself. Yes, that is correct. All right, so we're doing 100. We're doing 102 divided by 2. So 102 divided by 2 is 51, final answer. Okay, here's our cool clock for today, which means that it is time for you to practice what you just learned. Go ahead and pause the video and try these two problems on your own, and when you're ready to check your solutions, go ahead and unpause the video. Okay, now that you've had time to work these problems, let's check your solution. You should have done 5 times 4 minus 1 to the third. And that 3 is on the inside, which is important, so let me fix that. Then you should have done 1 to the third first, so 4 minus 1. Then you should have done 5 times 3, which is 15. Final answer. For this problem on the right, you should have done 14 minus 16 divided by 2 divided by 2 squared divided by 1. Then you should have done exponents first. Then you should have divided from left to right. So here first, then here, And then here, so you're doing, I'm running out of room. We're at 14 minus 2. Final answer should have been 12. All right, that is it for today. I hope y'all have a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.